if you want to make money online, you need a plan. It's just like losing weight. You need a diet or a meal plan, because clearly what you've done over the past year or so didn't work, and that's why you want to lose weight now. It's exactly the same with earning online. You're clearly in a position where you need an extra income, and that's why you need a plan. You see, without structure, you'll never really know what to do online, how it works, and you'll just keep wasting time and money. And we all know how precious both of those are. For me, as a mom of a really busy 7-year-old boy who got tired of working 8 to 5 every single day and still didn't have enough money, I had to look for ways to make money online. I needed a plan, something that works around my life at home. That's where the Legacy Builders program changed everything. So if you need the exact steps that showed us how to earn an online income, comment show me below, and I'll help you start earning an income online too.